Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Analytical Solid Geometry, let us discuss about equation of cylinder through given conic. First, we will discuss about the definition of the cylinder. The surface generated by a variable straight line moving parallel to a fixed straight line and satisfying one or more conditions, that is intersecting a given curve or touching a given surface, is called a cylinder. Here axis is a vertical straight line. Suppose the generators means all generators are fixed distance from that generator. That means it is forming a cylinder by using this condition. If the generating line is always a constant distance from a fixed straight line, then the cylinder so generated is called a right circular cylinder, whose radius is the constant distance and axis is the fixed straight line. Now let us prove the equation of the cylinder through given conic. Here let the generator of the cylinder is parallel to the line, that is the fixed line is x over L equal y over m equal z over n, let it be 1. And the equation of the conic, we know that ax squared plus 2hxy plus by squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0 and z equals 0. Let it be equation 2. Now let p of x1, y1, z1 be any point on the cylinder, then the equation of the generator through p with the help of 1. That means from this you have to get the value of x over L, y over m and z over n, and substitute that x, y, z in 1. You will get that is here x over x minus x1 over L, y minus y1 over m and z minus z1 over n. Then let it be equation 3. We have to this generator meets the plane z equal to 0. That means this generator meet z equal to 0, meet the plane z equal to 0, then we can get the equation 3 become, that is x minus x1 over L, y minus y1 over m, 0, z equal to 0 minus z1 over n. From this we will substitute the value of x, y, z, x equal to L into z1 over n, that is here x1 over that side is plus x1, that is we have the points x1 minus L z1 over n, like this, y equal m minus m z1 over n plus y1, that is y1 minus m z1 over n z equal to 0. These are the points. Now this generator 3 meets the conic 2. That means this generator meets this conic, then we will substitute these values for xyz to this conic. We will have the 3 meets the conic 2, we have VA into x1, that is x we are substituting, x1 minus LZ1 over n whole square plus 2h, L1 is x1 minus LZ1 over n, and y is y1 minus mz1 over n, then dy squared is plus y1 minus mz1 over n the whole square plus 2g, x1 is x1 minus lz1 over n plus, then plus plus 2f y1 minus mz1 over n plus c equal to 0. That means we are substituting, look at here, we are substituting these points in terms of x, y, z to this conic. We get this. Here, further simplifying, that means we are taking LCM everywhere, and everywhere denominator is n, and take out that common, and we get simplifying, will get like, look at here, a into nx1 minus lz1 the square plus 2h nx1 minus lz1 ny1 minus mz1 plus b ny1 minus mz1 whole square plus 2g nx1 minus lz1 plus 2f1 ny1 minus mz1 plus cn square equal to 0. That means, look at here, we are taking n square common and n cross multiplied with c, that is cn square, and equal to 0. So the required equation of the cylinder on the locus P of x1 y1 z1 is this. Now suppose the locus of the point P of x1 y1, the locus, therefore the required equation of the cylinder, the required equation of the cylinder, that means here that x1 y1 z1 we have substitute, it's the locus of the point xyz. Therefore in general we can write a nx minus lz. That means x1 y1 z1 will not come, instead of that xyz will come. That square plus 2h nx minus lz ny minus mz plus b ny minus mz whole square plus 2g nx minus mz nx minus lz here, lz plus 2fn ny minus mz plus cn square equal to 0. This is a general equation of the cylinder. And we will make some note here. If the generator of the cylinder parallel to z axis whose DCs are 0, 0, 1, that is L equal to M equal to 0, then the above equation of the cylinder become, here suppose here that generators are parallel to y axis, z axis, then DCs are, the DCs of the y axis is, z axis is 0, 0, 1, then we are substituting L and M is 0, then that equation reduces as ax square. That means this equation we are substituting L and M is 0 and M equal to 1. This equation becomes ax square plus 2h xy plus by square plus 2bx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Here we know that this equation is the general equation of the conic in 2 dimension, and if you apply and z equal to 0, this is the equation of the cylinder, equation of cylinder parallel to z axis. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. In this we got general equation of the cylinder. Here note this point: if the fixed distance means distance between, if the generator is always a constant distance from a fixed straight line, then the cylinder so generated is called right circular cylinder. That means if generators and fixed straight line, that is axis, is parallel, then you can say it's a right circular cylinder, as well as that base conic is perpendicular to that axis.